โยโอโยโยไปโยยัวฮึบดึงฮึบ
Buddy, you should start your own yoga school.
ร้อนปะล่ะร้อนปุ๊บไม่ได้แปะ
When you have to face the consequences of your impulsive decision. Hello, everyone. Ever wonder what your pets get up to when you're not home? Brace yourself, because it's a wild ride and their secret lives are full of this, and even this. Turns out they've got stuff to hide. Let's get it on.
Good girl. Good girl. Just get a toy. Poor monkey's gonna take a beating right now, huh? That monkey doesn't know what he's in for.
Hey, how you doing? Okay, Richard. I didn't really get a chance to talk at the funeral. I'm just so sorry.
Sally, you're so stinking cute. You're such a lucky little guy. Yes, they're taking good care of you. Yes. You're so stinking cute. Tell him, say, I'm ready to go home.